Arithi kuithatu tu mbere ya ngucanio cia AFCON kuhurwo mwaki. Riu timu ya bururi Harambee Stars ni yumagarite guthii mucii-ini wa Cairo kuma kambi-ini ya mehaririria bururi-ini wa Faranja. Undu uyu ukite thutha wa timu ino gukorwo kambi-ini ya mehaririria gwa kahinda ga thiku 19 kuria makoretwo magithaka ngucanio igiri cia kiurata iri ta njira ya gwithima hinya mbere ya mbitika ici kuhurwo mwaki.
The performance during this camp was really interesting, but it was during the camp. Now the more important is how we can react, we can perform during a competition as AFCON. We don't have an answer. I don't know under pressure when it will be possible to perform, but we are on the way.
Kenya igitwo thiini wa pool C na mabũrũri ta Algeria, Senegal, oro ũndũ ũmwe na Tanzania. Ngucanio ya mbere magithaka na bũrũri wa Algeria muthenya wa Kiumia, na thikũ ithatu thutha ũcio macemanie na bũrũri wa Tanzania, nayo ngucanio ya muthia thiini wa makundi matũngane na bũrũri wa Senegal.
We will have some training during the evening to prepare the body and to find the good tempo for the food, for everything. We will see at what time. I will see there, depends on the warm also, and it's important also to follow the competition during the game. If you have training at the same time, when you will have the game of Egypt, for example, one day before, I like when my player can feel the competition, so we will see.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.